take hours away from me. She wants me to work from 5 to 8 a.m., have her from 8 to 2, then have me come back 2 to 5, and her 5 to 9. Boss dismissed that one right out of hand and told her that I have my set schedule because I have earned that set schedule by always being on time for it. She threatened, then actually did call the Department of Labor to lodge a discrimination complaint, which they quickly dismissed. She was hired for any available shift, which she accepted at hire. She ended up quitting, then blasting us hard on social media, saying parents deserve special treatment. We are anti-family. I am, but not vocal about it at work, etc. Boss told me she would humor no further experiments. The only way someone else is getting my coveted shifts is if I quit. Edit. Perhaps I spoke too harshly. I am very much a you-do-you person. I'm just against special societal privileges for people just by virtue of their choice to reproduce. Well, what do you think? Should Karen have gotten the shift she wanted or not? Please let us know. Maybe they should hire her to do security instead. Nobody wants to mess with a Karen. A Karen bridesmaid meets an unmovable force. My mother. A conversation with fellow crafters reminded me of this story, so I figured I'd share. Some quick background. My baby brother was born very ill, and the long hospital stays and expensive meds kicked in around 6 months old. To cope with the huge medical bills, Mom worked some odd jobs over the years, including making custom wedding and bridesmaids gowns. My mother had a few very die-hard rules. Number 1, she did all of your measurements. I heard the lecture of vanity fibbing only results in a poorly fitting dress, more times than I can count. Number 2, all final fittings must be completed at least 3 weeks before the wedding. That way, if Dewey had an emergency hospital stay, she'd have time to arrange for someone to sit with him while she went home to finish a job. He was nonverbal and needed a constant companion. This particular bride wanted all of her bridesmaids in pastel organza dresses. Organza is a gauzy fabric. The base dresses were white, covered with these colors. Unfortunately, the bride had more bridesmaids than pastel shades of fabric that came in, meaning one lucky bridesmaid wore tan. The bride refused to start a fight by assigning colors, so it was first come, first served. When you came for measurements, you got to pick from the remaining colors. One bridesmaid lived 3 hours away and flat out refused to come to town to be measured. She insisted that telling us she was a size 8 was good enough. Bridal sizes are very different and didn't cleanly convert, so that meant nothing. Mom finally reached the compromise that a local seamstress could measure her and send in the measurements. 1 month before this wedding, Dewey was admitted into the ICU to be placed on a ventilator. Mom now had to find coverage enough to get 8 dresses finished off in the next 2 or so weeks. She pulled it off thanks to amazing friends, but it was time. Dad was busy working overtime to pay the bills and dealing with us other 2 kids. Well, this jerk bridesmaid, BB from now on, still refused to have a final fitting more than 2 days before the wedding. She didn't want to waste the trip just because my mom was a horrible seamstress who didn't understand proper sizing. I was cleaning up seed pearls during that lovely conversation. My mom begged a friend to sit with Dewey for an entire day so she could do the fitting and adjustments all at once. Karen was 2 hours late. When she arrived, she saw the hideous tan dress and began literally screaming about how it wasn't there, and my mom must have picked that color. She demanded another bridesmaid return their dress. Both dresses got swapped colors. It would have been 20 plus hours of work, so Mom laughed and told her that was a big no. The bride arrived and told her friend that color was the only option left, and she was sorry. But it was that or drop out of the wedding and pay for the dress anyways. Karen finally agreed to put it on. Yeah, she had lied about her size. When the zipper didn't go all the way up, Mom whipped out the measuring tape only to discover this jerk had shaved 1 to 2 inches off every measurement except height. Her defense was that she wasn't going to let a jealous seamstress lie about her, so she fixed the numbers before passing them on. By this point, my mom was all but breathing fire. Her son's life hung in the balance, and this lunatic was making her life heck. My mom demanded double for the dress because she was going to have to add strips to the base white dress to make it big enough, then make a whole new overdress from organza. It was doubling the time and adding substantially to fabric costs. Karen fought over it, and my mom finally told her, "Fine, pay me the agreed upon amount and take your dress as is." Now, the bride herself was bullying Karen into just paying up. She finally agreed to it, and my mom told the bride to get Karen out of her house. They could come back in 5 hours to get the dress. Thankfully, the redone dress was a perfect fit. Karen paid the remaining balance and left after that. The day my brother passed, my mom refused to ever make another